Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, in this video we're going to explain one of the compression methods is run length encoding, which consists of background, application, compression, encoding, and decoding.
Before that, so you will get to know us better. We are from Bandung State Polytechnic, Electrical Engineering Department, study program Telecommunication Engineering. My name is Dwi Agustina with student ID number 211344011.
And I'm Marsha Yolanda with student ID number 211344022. We made this video with the purpose of explaining the compression of RLE. But in addition, this video is to complete the Multimedia Communication Engineering course provided by Mr. Muhammad Yusuf Fadlan and Mr. Herto.
Okay, without further ado, let's get to the point.
First, we'll talk about the background of the RLE.
Run length encoding or RLE is a very old compression method, and no single inversion can be identified. This method has been used in many forms over several centuries, especially in telegraph communication and signal processing. Its initial use was primarily related to efficiency in the delivery to text by telegraph.
In the context of computer and image compression, the use of RLE had become common in the 1960s. However, no single individual can be recognized as the discoverer of the RLE in this context. RLE is a simple concept that has been applied by many people in many contexts and over the years. Therefore, it is difficult to attribute the discovery of an RLE to a specific individual or entity.
Second, we will discuss the application of RLE.
The first, image compression. RLE can be used to compress binary image, such as black and white image or image with a limited number of colors. When there is a repeated run of pixels with the same color, RLE replaces it with a single code representing the color and the length of the run. This is useful for reducing image size and speeding up image transfers.
This is an example of image compression. The second, text compression. RLE can be used to compress text that has many repeated characters. For example, in text like AAA, BBB, CCC. RLE would encode it as A3, B3, C3, reducing the number of characters that need to be stored. This is an example of text compression.
Next one is pattern recognition systems. RLE is often used in pattern recognition, where repeated pattern pictures are utilized to identify specific objects or shapes in image or other data.
This is an example of
pattern recognition systems.
The next is audio compression. RLE can be used in audio compression to reduce the size of audio files. It may be more effective in situations where there are parts of the audio with repeated noise or patterns that can be leveraged by RLE. This is an example of audio compression.
And the last one is serial communication. RLE can be used in serial communication to transmit data in a more efficient form. In data transmission, the use of RLE can help reduce the number of bit sends.
This is an example of
serial communication. Third, we will discuss the concept of compression of RLE.
Compression. Run length encoding RLE is a form of data compression. In RLE, data is compressed by replacing sequence of the same character with that character followed by the count of many times that character repeats. For example, the sequence AAAA, BBB, CC, DAA in RLE would be transformed into A4, B3, C2, DA2.
Thus, RLE is one of the simplest compression methods and may not provide the highest level of compression for all types of data. It is still considered a compression technique. The primary goal of RLE is to reduce redundancy in data with repeating patterns, and it is often used in situations where aggressive data size reduction is not required.
Finally, we are going to talk about encoding and decoding on RLE. In case 1, this compress the AACCDBBBBADCCDD data stream. The encoding process detects only the number of repeats in the character of the recurring data stream. For example, the number of A is 2, so the encoding result is a character that repeats the number of repeats. Similarly, in the recurring character, as in C, there are 2, B, there are 5, resulting in the following encoding: A2, C2, DB, 5, AD, C3, D2. Whereas in the decoding, simply inverting the decode data is the same as the initial data stream, as here the encoding result is A2, means that there is a repeating character A twice, so it's produce a decoding result like this.
The next one is in case 2 is an example of RLE compression that detects recurrence in numbers. Here an example is recurrence in number 0. The encoding in this example is to use the sign strip as a marker that the number before sign strip has a many recurrence after sign strip. As in this example here, the number 0 is 7, so the encoding is like this: 1 strip 0, which means the number 0 here has 7 times. For decoding, as in the previous case example, only the number between the strip number before the sign strip is a data stream number, and the number after which the number of repeats.
And then the case 3, as in the previous case, which is an example of RLE compression that detects recurrence in numbers. There will now be a condition where the recurrence is more than 1 digit, so another sign must be given to distinguish them. In this example, there are recurrence in numbers 2, 11 times. Then the sign given in the recurrence is the star symbol, different from the number of repeat in which only 1 digit is given the symbol strip. For other concept, it is not much different from the example of case 1 and case 2.
And for decoding, just like in the previous case example, it's just that we need to know what the symbol mean in encoding. When we already know there are 2 different symbols, the strip to take only 1 digit and the symbol stars takes 2 digits. Then in example, we can figure out that the number 2 repeats 11 times.
Okay, that's all the question about RLE compression. If there's something wrong, you can comment, okay guys?
And if you want anyone to ask, please also ask in the comment in below.
Thanks for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.